Can asphalt be laid in winter? Yes, it's possible, if it's called asphacold asphalt concrete. According to the method of production, asphalt concrete compositions are divided into three types: hot, warm and cold. Warm ones are like hot asphalt, but the cold ones are different. They are made on the basis of cold bitumen, special polymers and clean, dried, high-strength aggregates such as granite. What are the advantages of such an asphalt mixture? First, the ability to lay such asphalt at ambient temperatures up to +5 degrees. Some formulations are adapted for styling under critical conditions at temperature down to -30 degrees. Second, maintenance performance for over time. And finally third, good adhesion to the substrate due to modifying additives. How is cold asphalt produced? A special mixture pours out preheated crushed stone, gravel, sand and elastic bitumen or bitumen emulsion. All components of the mixture are well mixed. Then, in some industries, a thinner additive is additionally introduced into the same mixture. The additive is introduced into the mixture through the separate sleeve. All components are thoroughly mixed again and cooled naturally. After mixing the components, the asphalt is ready to use. Cold asphalt is always ready for paving. If ordering hot asphalt needs to be prepared by stirring occasionally, keeping an eye on the temperature, then cold asphalt is sold ready-made. It's easy enough to unload it and you can immediately start roadworks. Namely, carefully level it and tamp it well. Heavy rollers are not needed for these purposes. You can do it either by hand tamping or with a simple vibrating plate. But due to the high cost, cold material is not used for asphalting large areas, and its low shear stability limits its use in areas of heavy vehicle braking. The most popular applications for cold asphalt are: first, all types of hole repairs, including on highways. And second, operational construction of paths, alleys, small areas planned for operation with low loads. You can order heavy equipment for rent for your road construction works on our website ARENDADROM.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to know more. Bye everyone!